Hello students, welcome back to maths class. So we are going to solve some more 7 marks problems from this definite integrals. They are most repeated questions. So if you not practiced, if you skip any one problem, that will be there in final paper. So you have to practice each and every problem which I am giving on the board. These are all selected questions. If you check in the model papers, you will see so many times these questions are given to you. Okay, so be attentive in the class as well as take the problems correctly, practice the problems correctly. Now come to this question. So it is a 7 marks question, little bit special type of problem, this one, right? So here it is sin x plus cos x divided by 9 plus 16 sin 2x dx is there, right? So in this problem you have to remember, right? So we have to take in this problem t as sin x minus cos x. So you can ask why we have to take like that, right? So see, I am taking t is equal to sin x minus cos x we are taking. So what happens then? What will be your dt by dx, differentiating with respect to x on both sides. So it is d by dx of sin x minus cos x. Okay, so is equal to d by dx of sin x minus d by dx of cos x. Whenever plus minus, we will take separate derivatives. So d by dx of sin x is cos x minus d by dx of cos x is minus sin x. Okay, so minus of minus plus, so it is cos x plus sin x. Okay, so then what will be your dt? dt is equal to, we can write cos x plus sin x as sin x plus cos x. Yes, we can write a plus b is same as b plus a, right? And so upward value sin x plus cos x dx, instead of that we can take dt. Downwards we are having sin 2x. So here sin 2x place I am taking 1 minus sin x minus cos x whole square. So now I will show you why I have taken sin 2x as this one. So you take your value 1 minus sin x minus cos x whole square. So by our trigonometry, 1 can be written as sin square x plus cos square x minus a minus b whole square, a square plus b square form. So right, a square plus b square minus 2ab. So sin square x plus cos square x minus 2 sin x cos x. Okay, so if we open the brackets, what happens? Sin square x plus cos square x minus sin square x minus cos square x minus of minus plus 2 sin x cos x. So this one, this one, this one, this one cancel. So 2 sin x cos x is nothing but sin 2x. So we can write sin 2x place 1 minus sin x minus cos x whole square. Okay, so this is nothing but 1 minus, we have taken this as a t, so it is 1 minus t square. That means we converted the problem in terms of t. So already I said so many times in definite integrals, if we go for substitution, we have to change the limits also. So you take upper limit, right? So what is your upper limit? It is given, question is in terms of x. So limits also with respect to x only. X is equal to pi by 4. Now find out your t, substitute in t. T is equal to sin pi by 4, right? Minus cos pi by 4. Okay, so sin pi by 4, 45. Sin 45 is 1 by root 2 minus cos 45, 1 by root 2. Both will get cancel 0. So your t value, upper limit t value is 0. Now you take your lower limit, right? So what is your lower limit? X is equal to 0. So substitute in t. T is equal to, what is your t? Sin x minus cos x. So it is sin 0 minus cos 0. Sin 0 is 0, cos 0 is 1. So what is your t now? T is equal to minus 1. Okay, so now we will take the question. So actually question is in terms of x. Now we have taken substitution method. That means your problem will be in terms of t now. Okay, so what will be your question? It is 0 to pi by 4 sin x plus cos x divided by 9 plus 16 sin 2x dx is equal to, now our limits are, upper limit is 0, lower limit is minus 1, minus 1 to 0, sin x plus cos x dx is dt. We got it, isn't it? dt by 9 plus 16 sin 2x place we got 1 minus t square. Okay, so is equal to, we can write this as minus 1 to 0 dt by, open the brackets, 9 plus 16 minus 16 t square is equal to integral minus 1 to 0 dt by 9 plus 16, 25 minus 16 t square. Generally it should be only t square form, right? So we will have formulas like this, right? dx by a square minus x square. Only x should be there, otherwise only t should be there, but 16 is there. That's why dividing the numerator and denominator with 16 to cancel that value. So 1 by 16 by 25 minus 16 t square by 16 into dt is equal to minus 1 to 0. We can write, this is a constant, 1 by 16 outside, then it is dt by, and here also write separately, 25 by 16 minus 16 t square by 16. Okay, so is equal to 1 by 16 root of minus 1 to 0 dt by 25 by 16 can be taken as 5 by 4 whole square minus 16 cancel, it is t square. Now that is in your form, integral dx by a square minus x square is equal to, what is the formula? 1 by 2a log of a plus x by a minus x form. Okay, so now we will apply that formula. After applying the formula, we will write the limits on right side. So is equal to 1 by 16 into, in a place you are having 5 by 4, in x place you are having t. So it is 1 by 2a, it is 5 by 4 into log of, come on, what is your a? It is 5 by 4, right, plus t by 5 by 4 minus t. So once formula is applied, we have to take the limits on right side, minus 1 to 0. Generally 0 comes downwards, but in this problem we are having minus 1 to 0. Be careful, right? So this is 2 ones are 2 2s are. So 1 by 16, send this value upwards, it will be reverse. So 2 by 5 log of 5 by 4 plus t by 5 by 4 minus t. Okay, so here 2 ones are 2 8s. So is equal to 1 by 8 5s 40 log of, here we will write again the bounds till we substituted up to that step, we have to write the bounds on right side. Log of 5 by 4, okay, downwards now we will substitute the limits. So is equal to, it is 1 by 40 log of, first you take the upper bound, that is 0, wherever t is there you substitute that 0. How we will substitute? 5 by 4 plus 0 by 5 by 4 minus 0, okay, minus, again in that same log function wherever t is there, now you substitute your lower limit, right? What is that? 5 by 4, that is minus 1 by 5 by 4 minus of minus plus 1, okay. So is equal to 1 by 40 log of 5 by 4 cancels, it is log 1 minus log of, taking the LCM as 4, right, 5 minus 4 by, downwards also 4 is the LCM, 5 plus 4, okay, 4 get cancels. So is equal to 1 by 40 log 1 value is 0 minus log of, come on, it is 1 by 9, okay. So again this can be written as 1 by 40 minus log of 1 by 9 can be written as 3 square is equal to 1 by 40 minus log of 3 to the power of minus 2. So again we can write this as 1 by 40 into minus, there is one formula in logarithm, log a to the power of m is equal to m log a. So this is your m, so minus 2 log 3, okay. So it is minus into minus plus, okay. So is equal to 1 by 40 into 2 log 3, 2 ones are 2 20s is equal to 1 by 20 log 3 is the answer of your question, okay. So full attention, you have to solve the problem. So observe carefully. First, this is a special case. In this problem you have to remember, here sin 2x is there, upward sin x plus cos x is there. So we have to take t is equal to sin x minus cos x, okay. Then your dt will be sin x plus cos x dx, upward value we will get it as dt, and sin 2x place we can take 1 minus sin x minus cos x whole square. Already I explained why we have to take like this. In one place identity sin square x plus cos square x, and expand this, finally you will get sin 2x. So 1 minus t square. Now we converted the problem in terms of x to in terms of t. Actually question is given in terms of x, we converted into t. So we have to convert the limits also in terms of t. That's why in the beginning the limits will be with respect to x. Why? Question is with respect to x. So x is equal to pi by 4. Substitute in t, you got your upper limit. Similarly, lower limit x is equal to 0. Substitute your t, you will get your lower limit. Then you take the problem and try to adjust the problem into standard formula form. What is that standard formula form? It is integral 1 by a square minus x square form. That's why we are dividing with 16. Only t square should be there. Here only t square should be there. That's why dividing the numerator and denominator with 16. Right? Then you will get this one. Now observe, it is exactly in your formula form. So 1 by 2a log of a plus x by a minus x. Simplify. Then in this given function, in place of t, first you substitute the upper limit minus in the same function in place of t you substitute a lower limit, right. So then you simplify, and we used one more formula, log a to the power of m is m log a, right. So if we applied that, minus of minus becomes plus. Finally we got this answer. Okay, so practice this problem perfectly. Okay, so thing is, you should remember we have to take t is equal to sin x minus cos x. This is a special problem. So in this problem we can go for another method also, but that will be lengthy method. This is simple method, so that we can easily get our answer in the simple form. Okay, so practice it perfectly. That's all for today. Have a nice day.